5 Surprising Health Benefits of Gardening. Introduction. Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's a way to promote your health and well-being. Here are 5 surprising benefits of gardening. Number 1. Exercise and strength. Gardening requires physical activity such as digging, planting, and weeding, which can improve strength and flexibility. Number 2. Mental health. Gardening has been shown to reduce stress levels and improve mood, thanks to the release of feel-good hormones. Number 3. Educational event. Gardening can also enhance cognitive function, especially in older adults, by providing physical and mental stimulation. Number 4. Vitamin D. Spend time in the sun while gardening and increase your vitamin D intake, which is essential for healthy bones, teeth and skin. Number 5. Food production. Gardening can also provide fresh and healthy food options, reducing your reliance on processed and unhealthy food choices. So grab your gloves and spade and start reaping the health benefits of gardening today.